Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. This week in Unbox Your Hidden Talent category, I have someone special who is very creative in arts as well as baking. And baking is something which is an interesting area of all the females, right? And she started baking 4 years back just for her child. But later on, she realized that she had a creative, passionate baker within her. And this is the first cake. There are so many beautiful, attractive, yummy cakes. Even I have tasted it, so I cannot ignore, I cannot forget. Once you taste the cakes which is baked by her, you will never ignore it. Let it be any emotion you want to express through a cake. She is the right person to approach, and it's yummy too. Just as the name, emoji cakes, cakes for any emotion, and it's too yummy. Once tasted, every time booked. That is the thing. Once you taste, you cannot ignore for the next time too. Not only cakes, but also you will get cookies, cupcakes, and a lot of varieties what you want. You just have to tell her what you want and it's for which occasion, and it's ready. I wish all the very best to my friend Kalyan based Homebaker, waiting for more yummy cakes and cupcakes. And you guys don't forget to check the description box to get the link of emoji cakes. Stay tuned. See you next day.